Do you know what happens inside this giant furnace? In every second, massive furnace produces tons of molten iron. But what really happens inside? Let's find out. Hello everyone, welcome back to Jack of Engineering YouTube channel. Let's start with the raw materials of blast furnace. The process starts with three essential materials, which is iron ore, coke and limestone. Together they are charged from the top of the blast furnace. You can see there is a conveyor belt to charge the raw material. After that, the hot air blast operation starts. Then the superheated air at nearly 1000 degrees centigrade enters to the bottom. Coke burns rapidly and generating temperature above 2000 degrees Celsius. It creates different chemical reaction. Oxygen reacting with coke and carbon monoxide reducing iron ore. Carbon monoxide removes oxygen from the iron ore by smelting reaction. Thus, the molten iron can be extracted from the blast furnace. Then the limestone, which is CaCO3, which combines and reacting with the impurities to form the slag. Since the slag is lighter than the iron, it floats on the top of. Then finally, after different reactions and the process, the molten iron is tapped from the bottom of the blast furnace, and after quality check, it transported for steel making process to SMS department. Thus, from rock to metal generated in one giant furnace. That's the mechanism of blast furnace. It's amazing, isn't it? Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to Jack of Engineering for more engineering and metallurgy related interesting videos.